Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the Thevenin theorem contain DC circuit. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Determine the Thevenin equivalent of the network shown below. We need to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit for the network given. So here one 10 voltage source is available. Here 3 ampere current source is available. This is 5 ohm, 6 ohm and 10 ohm. The terminals are given as AB. This is the load terminal. You have to take the references. This is the load terminal A. The load is not given, but we need to find the Thevenin equivalent across this terminal AB. So the step 1 is the Thevenin equivalent circuit. What is Thevenin equivalent circuit? V Thevenin connected in series with the R Thevenin is nothing but Thevenin equivalent circuit with the terminal AB. V Thevenin is nothing but open circuit voltage. The terminal AB is kept open and voltage across AB is nothing but V Thevenin. R Thevenin is nothing but the resistance across AB by removing current source and voltage source. The current and voltage sources are removed and resistance across AB is nothing but R Thevenin. This is the equivalent circuit. So that the complicated network is simplified with one voltage source connected in series with the resistance. That is the simplification of the Thevenin's theorem. Now we'll go to the second step. First we will find the V Thevenin, that is open circuit voltage with the terminal AB. So we'll find the V Thevenin. Second step is V Thevenin. To find V Thevenin. So this is the given circuit. The terminal is open circuit. Already open only. There is no resistor available across AB. Right. So this V Thevenin is nothing but the voltage across AB. Here one current source is there. Now we'll try to convert this current source into voltage source. So how to convert the voltage source? V is nothing but 3 into 6. 3 ampere into 6 ohm. So that 3 into 6, 18 voltage. So equivalent 3 ampere is nothing but 18 voltage. Here resistor is connected in parallel with the current source. Here resistor is connected in series with the current series with the voltage source. Right? The resistor will be remain same. Voltage source means connected in series. Current source means connected in parallel. The equivalent 3 ampere is nothing but 3 into 6, 18 voltage. Now this circuit contains only voltage source. Now we need to find the voltage across AB. What is voltage across AB? Already here one voltage source is available, 18 voltage. So 18 voltage minus drop across 10 voltage will appear across AB. This 18 voltage will be appear here, but the drop across 10 voltage will be subtracted, remaining will be available across AB. So we need to find what is the drop across AB. For that we need to find what is the current. What is the current flowing through this loop. Contain 10 voltage source, 5 ohm and 10 ohm. So that first we will find the current. So this current is nothing but this voltage, 10 voltage divided by 5 plus 10. Both are connected in series only. Same current is flowing. So 10 plus 5, 15. 10 divided by 15 it is 0.667 ampere. So the current flowing through this 10 ohm resistor, this entire loop as well as this 10 ohm resistor is 0.667 ampere. Now we know the current value, so that we can easily calculate the voltage drop across 10 ohm. So V Thevenin is nothing but VAB. V Thevenin is nothing but voltage across AB. That is equal to voltage across 10 ohm minus 18. This 18 voltage is available. From that we need to subtract the voltage across 10 ohm. So that we'll get V Thevenin or VAB. So voltage across 10 ohm is V equal to I into R. I is 0.667 ampere. Just now we calculated. The R value is 10 minus 18. This 18 voltage. So 6.67 minus 18, that is equal to minus 11.33 voltage. So open circuit voltage VAB or V Thevenin is nothing but minus 11.33 voltage. Now we will calculate the R Thevenin. The step 3 is R Thevenin. So the third step is to find the R Thevenin. What is R Thevenin? That the resistor across AB by removing all the voltage source, all the sources. So here the voltage source and current source, the two voltage sources available are removed now. Now we need to find the Thevenin from this side onwards. We have to refer from this side, not from this side. The resistor across AB is nothing but R Thevenin. RAB is the R Thevenin. So while referring this side, the current is flowing. The current is diverted here. 5 ohm and 10 ohm. That means these two are connected in parallel. 5 ohm and 10 ohm are connected in parallel. That is in series with the 6 ohm. This parallel combination series with 6 ohm. So important thing is the resistor is not taken from this side. From this side, from load end. So that we are assuming that current is flowing in 6 ohm. That is diverted across 5 ohm and 10 ohm. So that these two are parallel. That is in series with 6 ohm. So 6 plus 5 and 10 ohm are parallel. So R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So 6 plus 5 into 10 divided by 5 plus 10. So 6 plus 5 into 10 50, 5 plus 10 15. So 50 divided by 15. So 6 plus 3.33, that is 9.33 ohm. So the R Thevenin open circuit voltage by removing all the sources RAB equal to RTH equal to 9.33 ohm. So now we calculated V Thevenin as well as R Thevenin, so that we can draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit. That is V Thevenin connected in series with the R Thevenin. V Thevenin we calculated 11.33 voltage, either positive or negative, so not a problem. 11.33 voltage, and R Thevenin is 9.33 ohm. Just now we calculated. So here there is no load current is load resistor is not available, and load current also not asked. Only we need to draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit. So in this given problem, we found the Thevenin equivalent circuit. That is V Thevenin connected in series with the Z Thevenin. That is R Thevenin. V Thevenin is calculated open circuit voltage across AB. R Thevenin is the resistor across AB by removing all the voltage sources. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.